Hello, how are you?
Hi. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Great. I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. Where are you from?
I'm from London. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream. How about you?
I like it too. What flavor do you like?
I like chocolate. What about you?
I like vanilla. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football. Do you?
I play basketball. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
My favorite color is red. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
I don't have a pet. What's your cat's name?
Her name is Whiskers.
That's a cute name. How do you go to school?
I walk to school. How do you get there?
I go by bus. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. And you?
I wake up at 6:30. Do you like school?
Yes, I like school. What about you?
I like school too. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math. What's yours?
I like English. What do you do after school?
I play with my friends. What about you?
I read books after school. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
I like that book too. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch cartoons. What do you watch?
I watch movies. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
I like that movie. Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like singing songs. Do you?
I love singing. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. What about you?
I don't play any instruments. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
My favorite food is pasta. Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park on weekends.
I go to the park too. What's your favorite game to play?
I like playing tag.
Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.